Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Siri reading text messages. So if Siri keep reading text messages on your iPhone each time you have any, and I want to turn it off, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exact steps that you need to take to turn off Siri reading text messages on your iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, one of the settings page, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on Siri and search. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier, on iOS 18, just locate and click on Siri. Once you click on Siri, here, what you just need to do is come down here, locate announce notifications, click on that. If your announce notification is turned on here, you want to go on and then disable announce notifications. So disable this. Once you disable announce notification, this is going to stop Siri from reading out notifications you have in your iPhone, and Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen for response after reading notifications. So just go ahead and disable this. Again, if you want Siri to stop announcing caller's name, all you just need to do as well is come to announce calls, and then make sure if it is set to always, headphones and car, or headphone only, disable it and then set it to never. Then you can see never announce incoming calls. Once that is set to never, this is going to stop Siri from reading your text, and it's going to stop Siri from announcing your notifications. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.